Uncle Mike calling me? Hey, Neff. On your voicemail again. I guess you can't pick up right now. You're probably busy like always. You know, you're always doing something crazy. But I'm getting a little worried about you, son. You know, give me a call back whenever you get a chance. And I know you probably, doing a lot of thinking over there. You know, let me tell you something, man. What's been on my mind? You know, I know you growing up. You're a man now. You're a man. You know, and I know your dad wasn't there for you, to teach you how to become a man. But let me tell you something, son. I'm very damn proud of you. You became a man, and I'm glad that you did everything you did, and that you continue to do what you doing right now. You're making your uncle proud now. Uncle Mike proud over here. You know what I'm saying? Uncle Mike proud. You know what I'm saying? Uncle Mike proud. But you might want to give me a call, man, when we get a chance if I go up there whip your ass. You know, you might be a man, you ain't no man, whip Uncle Mike. You know, I might get down now. I'm throwing my hand there. I throw them damn on hands. But, let me get off your voicemail, man. Give me a call back whenever you get a chance. All right, man. Love you. All right, love you.
Now, y'all know that there's two different type of men in this world, right? First, there's the gentleman, the one who wants a wife, fears God, helps others, sensitive, caring, open-minded, free from any anger, blasphemy, anything that the Lord cannot stand. He knows that he's not perfect, but he's going to work hard to be that perfect man. He's no longer in search of a girl. No, he's in search of a woman. Then there's the player, sneaky, always out past 2 in the morning, snatching up other men's wives, making promises they can't keep. Want to be the man that lay next to you when you sleep, but quick to leave you when it's time for you to weep. No, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. And see, some women, or shall I say girls, rather a man who show no attached feelings, only arrive when it's time for pleasure, but never that'll hold you during the cold weather. But let's sit and think this through, ladies. Would you rather a man who forgets who you are, never remembers your birthday, always have excuses when you calling him to come over, but be in the bed with another woman telling her to roll over? Ladies, remember where you are on that man's roster, or you're going to be sitting there thinking that he know you, but he already forgot you. Stop searching for something that ain't there, leaving your feelings floating through the air. That's why I'm telling you to leave that player. I ain't gonna lie, front or cover anything up. Some men that mess up the game for the dudes that's trying to do right. Good men have to try and fix things that they wasn't even a part of. We have to stop spitting game because there's lines that's already been thought of. Women are starting to create pictures in their mind thinking that every man got the same scheme trying to get between their thighs. Players with no feelings could care less if you cry. They just there to open your legs and get the surprise, waiting on you to close your eyes so they can sneak out that back door before that sunrise. Now the question is stated, when will things change for the men that's actually worth the time? Will women never give us a chance to change their mind? Give us the key to their heart while we sit there next to them praying that we can get a fresh start? Any man that can keep the little things that you love the most and surprise you with them all throughout the years that y'all together is worth keeping. Why push him out for one reason? Yeah, I know you're thinking, what if he's cheating? I understand that. But that's when you need to evaluate yourself, because a man only starts searching when he is lacking something at home that he can find somewhere else. What you don't do, there's always a person out there who will. So check your sex appeal. I know that's not the #1 priority in a relationship, but it plays an important role, especially if you don't want that man out there searching for someone to have relations with. Now men, back to you. I know I ventured off for a second, but it's time we get serious. Stop robbing the woman heart, selling her false dreams, leaving her curious. If you only wanted the ass from the start, why wait till things get serious because you wanted to be selfish and now you two are breaking apart? No, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. But a man who can cook, work hard, take care of kids that ain't his, protect you from any danger, keep you warm during those winter nights, cool during those summertime, take you out for a dinner and a movie, maybe a little bowling, just something fun, take you out for a night on the town because he ain't ashamed to show you around. A man who will sit there and listen to your daily stories, gives you advice whenever you feel there is worries, always there when you need him and not out there searching for any new friends, because in a real relationship there are no new friends. That person who you are with is your ride or die, but most importantly, men, we must realize that we are nothing, and I will say again, nothing without God. Now let's be men, and like always, stay with a goal.